Feet Whitening Pedicure at Home. Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. Why you say feet whitening pedicure at home? Feet whitening pedicures are really reliable when it comes to cleansing and pampering a really cracked and dirty feet with homemade ingredients. These are the steps that one can look upon and follow for making the feet soft, shiny, and beautiful. Method to use a feet whitening pedicure at home. Step 1. First of all, take a fresh aloe vera stem and remove its outer layer. Next, rub its gel on the feet and massage well for a while. Keep the aloe vera gel on the feet, and move on to the next step. Step 2. Take a tub and fill it with warm water. Use a toothbrush and add in some toothpaste into it. Brush the toes with it to remove the dark spots gathered on the feet. Add in 2 tablespoons of salt into the warm water. Also, add in 1 tablespoon of bleach into it as well. Use any shampoo that you prefer, and add in about 1 tablespoon of that too. Take 1 tablespoon each of glycerin, and 5% of hydrogen peroxide and add it into the water too. Lastly, add in 2 tablespoons of washing powder into it, and mix all the ingredients together. Soak the feet into the water mixture, and scrub vigorously till the feet becomes much cleaner. Remove the feet from the water, trim your nails, paint it in any color and flaunt your now beautiful feet as much as you want. So, these are the steps that one needs to follow to do a good feet whitening pedicure at home. Share this recipe as much as you like to help people pamper their feet too. Thank you.